Welcome back to NextGear Auto. Today we're taking a look at the powerful, luxurious, and futuristic Audi Q9. This SUV is designed to combine premium comfort, advanced technology, and impressive performance into one bold package. If you love luxury SUVs with aggressive styling and high-end features, this vehicle is going to grab your attention from the very first look. The Audi Q9 comes with a massive road presence. The front design features a huge signature Audi grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and sporty air intakes that make the SUV look both elegant and aggressive at the same time. From the side profile, the long body shape, large alloy wheels, and smooth character lines give it a premium and modern appearance. At the rear, stylish LED taillights and a sporty bumper complete the luxury SUV design. Inside the cabin, the Audi Q9 offers a next-level luxury experience. The interior is expected to include premium leather seats, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a fully digital cockpit. Audi is known for making futuristic interiors, and the Q9 takes that experience even further. The dashboard looks clean and modern with large touchscreen displays, advanced infotainment controls, and high-quality materials all around the cabin. This SUV is designed for families, luxury lovers, and long-distance travelers. The spacious seating arrangement provides excellent comfort for every passenger. There is also plenty of legroom and cargo space, making the Audi Q9 a perfect choice for road trips and daily driving. When it comes to performance, the Audi Q9 is expected to feature powerful engine options, including turbocharged V6 and V8 engines. Some reports also suggest a hybrid version could arrive in the future for better efficiency and performance. The acceleration is smooth, the handling feels confident, and Audi's famous Quattro all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip and stability on different road conditions. The driving experience is expected to feel incredibly refined. Adaptive air suspension can make the ride softer on highways and more responsive during sporty driving. Whether you are driving in the city or cruising on long roads, the Audi Q9 aims to deliver maximum comfort with powerful performance. Technology is another major highlight of this SUV. The Audi Q9 may include features like a fully digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice controls, premium surround sound system, and advanced driver assistance features. Safety technologies such as lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking help make driving safer and easier. One of the most exciting things about the Audi Q9 is its luxurious personality. This SUV is designed to compete with other flagship luxury SUVs in the market, while offering Audi's unique blend of style, comfort, and innovation. The combination of sporty looks and premium features makes it stand out from the crowd. Fuel efficiency is also expected to improve thanks to modern engine technology and lightweight construction. Audi continues to focus on balancing performance with efficiency, giving drivers both power and practicality in one premium package. The Audi Q9 is not just an SUV, it represents luxury, technology, and performance combined into one impressive vehicle. From its bold exterior to its futuristic interior and powerful engine options, this SUV is built to leave a strong impression everywhere it goes. Thanks for watching NextGear Auto. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing car content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Audi Q9 and whether you would choose this luxury SUV for your next ride. See you in the next video.